So this is the lesson that I would do after the 8-1 video that I posted. So the first part would be an entrance slip to see which students watched the video, also to see what they learned from the video. So the first one is a pretty simple one, setting up the proportion and finding the geometric mean, and then using Parachute-Pete. Now the second one is a little bit more complicated, so it involves being able to set up the proportion as well as solving a quadratic equation. So that one's going to take a little bit more time. It's okay if they don't get to it, however, it does help me see which students have a greater understanding of the material as soon as they walk in the door. So I can quickly check which ones got it, which ones didn't, and then that can help me either pair them off or just to help me figure out which students are going to be understanding the activity. So the partner practice, I know this right side's a little bit blurry, but this is just to show you an idea of what it will look like when it's printed off. So what's going to happen is there's going to be a pair of two, partner A and partner B. One partner is going to have the answers for the other partner's work. So they each have 3 problems, and then together they're going to answer some always, sometimes, never statements. And this is a good time for them to ask me questions. If they didn't understand anything, they can ask their partner questions and they can help each other out. So if you look here on the right, partner B's answers are filled out. So this would be given to partner A. And then for the second part, partner B will have the answers for partner A. And then they'll go through that together. They can check the answers if they're confused about something. They can also check the work. So that's pretty nice for that. And then the last part is when they're done with the partner activity, it's more of a challenge, some more challenge problems. So this is on the right over here, some independent practice with applied algebra. So they've done a couple problems where they've been solving quadratics and setting up those equations. So at this point, they should be able to do it on their own and apply it to different problems. So this is the independent practice. There's only 4 problems because they are a little bit more challenging. I'll show you my work for that. So all of these problems involve factoring quadratics, solving quadratic equations, as well as setting up equations using geometric mean. So once they have that done, then they can do some more practice. But this should take the entire class period of a 50-minute class period. So that independent practice is going to be on their own, making sure they've got it. That's another good time for them to ask questions and get some clarifications on geometric mean. So that's it for the activity. Thank you.